All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have a problem. Houston, we have a problem, but I have another solution. Here we go. Pay attention closely. This is going to take some time, but be patient. My tutorial won't be long, but your experience will be. You're going to have to pause and go and do all that. So here we go. All right, so first thing you need to do, if you're using an iPhone, you have to use Safari. You're going to go to paybis.com, all right? You have to set up and verify your account, do all of that hoopla. It took me about 10 minutes, but I got verified fairly quickly. So next step, we're going to basically do the same thing we were doing before, and if you haven't done this before, we're going to select the proper coin, we're going to copy our address and Trust Wallet, and then boom, we're going to shoot it off. So this one's going to be slightly different. You can still do the regular BNB, but you can actually buy BNB on BEP20, which is the smart chain specifically on here. You don't have to transfer it over in Trust Wallet. So
this episode is being brought to you by the Ninjagram app over at www.ninjagram.app. This Instagram software will help you automate your Instagram and grow your following fast by using their auto follow, auto unfollow, auto comment, auto like, and auto story view feature, and much more. Get to Ninjagram at www.ninjagram.app today to purchase and download the Ninjagram app and start growing your Instagram following fast today.
here's that process. You're going to click the lower button. See, the three top coins that I have there are Bitcoin, Binance Coin, and Binance Coin BEP20. You want that 20. That is going to get you your Binance Coin Smart Chain. So from there, we're going to put in an amount. I'm going to do $100 because this is actually my first test. You guys are welcome. I'm going to go back over to that Trust Wallet. Go into my smart chain, hit that receive button, copy that address. Make sure that you're in the black and yellow smart chain BNB wallet on this one if you're selecting BEP20, okay? Back over to that Safari. We're going to go buy BNB, and then I'm going to paste that wallet into here. We're going to hit paste. I'm going to hit continue. It's going to ask me for my credit card number. You're not going to see this step, but I'm going to toss that in there really quick. Ladies and gentlemen, we have liftoff, and I could not be more excited to bring this to you. So PayBis, your new source to buy that BNB. It's going to come across as BNBSC. That stands for Smart Chain. You don't have to exchange it. You can immediately throw it in to your pancake just like you would have before. So that is your workaround right now. This is so perfect. Let me just show you really quick that it showed up in my BNB Smart Chain. You can see right there I have $124, so it appears that there was about a $10 fee. So your new workaround is by going to paybis.com. If you're using iOS, you have to use Safari. It won't let you use Chrome. I tried that. So good luck, everyone. Thanks for watching these videos and supporting my channel. Greatly appreciate it. You know, I do accept tips. So yeah, there's that. Hit me up and to the moon.